Do you want to check your Instagram login device? You can see your Instagram account login devices with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to check your Instagram login device. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Checking your Instagram login devices is to review the list of devices that have accessed your Instagram account. This feature allows you to monitor and manage the devices that are logged into your account. To check your Instagram login devices, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. A pop-up menu appears. Tap on Settings and Privacy to access the settings. Scroll down and select the Account Center. Under the Account Center, scroll down and select the Password and Security under the Account Settings section. Now you will find an option Security Checks. Under Security Checks, tap where you are logged in to view a list of accounts. Select your Instagram account to see recent login to your Instagram account. You'll see a list of devices along with details such as the device name, location, and the date and time of the last login. Review this list to ensure that you recognize all the devices that have accessed your account. If you notice any unfamiliar devices or suspicious activity, you can tap on Select Devices to log out to remove your account from that device. By checking your Instagram login devices regularly, you can help ensure the security of your account and take action if you detect any unauthorized access. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.